So the big question is this: how average people like us deserve a better and happier life, deserve to have a dream, and yet due to the challenges we are facing that stop us from progressing. I was at this situation before I mastered myself with NLP. How? This is a question this channel will give you the answer. Join me and follow along as I learn, apply and share self-mastery strategy to achieve the life I deserve. My name is Bryan K and welcome to Self-Mastery Secret. Hi everyone, my name is Bryan and today I would like to share my experience with you on my 5 days live NLP Practitioner Workshops certification by Ulysses Wang. Before I enroll into the NLP workshop, I got to know him from some of the Facebook group related to UPW or the Unleash the Power Within. We both attended UPW in Singapore last year, but we never met each other during the events. Then I found out about his Facebook group that focused for trainers and coaches. I joined it and I started to know him more. To me, he's different. All his sharings is real contents, value added, and I learned some things from all the posts. Then he conducted this webinar about passion to profit, and my wife signed up for the group coaching programs. So she told me that the program is very good, full of value adders, and also extra bonuses training that he provided. Then in May 2019, I saw his NLP Practitioner Certification Training coming to Kuala Lumpur. At first, I do not have any intention to join, since I was already certified as NLP Practitioner by Society of NLP. Why go for the same certification, right? Not until I received this NLP email from him, and there are few lines in this email that really caught my attention. So he said that I don't bother to remember all the technical jargons of NLP. I don't memorize history of NLP, and I definitely don't follow the processes if I see ways to improve it. I truly believe the biggest gain anyone can get from NLP is through the direct application of the most practical concept in our life and business. This really makes sense to me. I always have this thought on my mind: how do we really apply NLP in real life applications? That is the main reason why I decided to join his trainings, and it was one of the best training I attended. During the 5 days trainings, I got many of my aha moments. Let me share two of it, as I know people's time are precious and I do not want to drag these sharings for too long. So one of the aha moment is this 134 bits per second of the NLP model of communications. This 134 bits per second is all about what we are going to focus and how can we set our 134 bits per second, what to focus on. So this made me realize that's why people always say one of the key to success is focus. So my another aha moment is actually this Milton model. This was one of the confusing topics that I had in my previous workshops. I really do not know why does this Milton model is such a so powerful language patterns until I got it from the Ulysses trainings. I finally understand why politicians, why marketers use Milton model in their sales copy, why coaches use Milton model to help the clients, because it is really powerful. This aha moment made me I really won't forget that moments. Okay, so thank you for listening, and I fully believe NLP can help me in progressing in my life. Will it help you too? Okay, so if you go to his official website, you can actually see all the previous attendee, what is the NLP is all about, the agenda of the 5 days, awesome trainings, and so on. So talk to you guys again. Bye. All this strategy that I learned from my 5 full days NLP workshops, and I was certified as the NLP Practitioner by Ulysses Wang under American Board of Neuro-linguistic Programming. You want to get certified just like me, so that you can actually use all this strategy to progress in your personal life or professional life, you can visit his website at bit.ly/Ulysses Wang, or get to know him more and get his free NLP training online at bit.ly/Ulysses NLP. Remember, you are just one transformation away